Where's your mother?
I know where mom goes.
Where's your mother?
At home. And where's Puppy? And
Mommy!
Where's my mother?
Let's go. We're gonna sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
They call me Pounds, here I'm known as 9'7". 8 customs create, plus I rhyme.
Great.
Hey, yo mío, YouTube, I come back, he not here, so hello. Welcome to 978. And today I got this new thing.
Oh, not again.
What happened?
What are you doing?
I tried to help you, my friend.
No, you're not helping, man. Move.
Forget the push.
YouTube, welcome back to another 978 Customs video, and here we got...
An idiot. You want me,
stop.
man.
Stop.
You never give me chance to tell the people. I'm mad at you.
YouTube, man. This is Symbiote Ben Riley, and... Sorry, I'm a little out of breath.
You telling me to beat you up?
Alright, I've been wanting to make this guy for a minute. I've had him on the list. He's just been on the back burner for a while. I had to make some other guys, but after making that white Superior Spider-Man, I thought it would be a good idea to make this. White is becoming a little easier for me to apply now. I'm kind of getting it. So I wanted to make this. The only problem is I sold that white Superior Spider-Man. I wish I didn't, because now I think I'm going to start collecting for myself these black and white figures. But anyway, that's another story. Ben Riley, Symbiote Spider-Man. Not technically a symbiote. No one really knows. This isn't even an actual Marvel-owned costume. This is more of a concept design. I've seen a lot of cosplayers get this, and I might have maybe even seen it on a Marvel vs. Capcom game. But either way, it is an all-black figure with a white hoodie, so it could be a symbiote, or it could just be an alternate black suit. In most cases, Spider-Man wearing black is symbiotic, so the only thing I say that it probably isn't is because of the logo design. I decided to change it up slightly from what Ben Riley had already. It's very similar to Ben Riley's logo, but just a little different. Simple custom to do. If you want to make yourself a symbiote Ben Riley, all you really need is a Ben Riley figure. This was the red and blue figure. Didn't swap any parts. I should have. I was going to. Maybe before I would have taken the shortcut and swapped the legs and arms to avoid having to sand the elbows and knee joints. But why use another figure when I could do it with one? So that was pretty much the thought process. Yes, I took the arms, legs, hands, ankles. I took them all off. Sanded the upper arms on the shoulders. Cut away at the inside of where the arm socket is. And also sanded in the waist. Those are the most important parts to prepare when you want to paint this Ben Riley figure. The arms, the arm sockets, the waist, and the thighs. Those will continuously rub if you don't do them the right way. And don't worry, guys, we're going to do that sanding video really soon. Bear with me. What do you guys think about the outline spider logo? Originally, I wanted to do it silver just to kind of like complement the accessories he has on, but I did not. I just left it like that. Like your standard Marvel Legends, you should not have an issue posing this figure around. He does have his 30 points of articulation, I think. 32, I would say, but he doesn't have butterfly joints. Logo is painted all the way inside. Does look funny, but that's just the way it has to be because it's diagonal like that. Head goes up, head goes down, left, right. Arm goes up, all the way down, all the way up too. Got lovely Spidey figures. But it goes up and it goes down, no problems. You do get this swivel right here, 360 degrees. Bicep swivels as well. You also get those double jointed elbows, which come in handy. Very necessary to have those double jointed elbows. You get this wrist swivel and a hinge, and that's pretty cool. Dab crunch, of course. You get the waist swivel. These thighs do split, not so much, but they split. Thigh swivel up top, double jointed knees, ankle joint, and an ankle pivot. And I did paint those pouches black. And that's what it does. But you can get him in some really cool poses if you really wanted to. For some reason, every time I have this figure in my hand, he's always in a running position. I feel like that's the best pose I could get him in. I think it's due to the lack of butterfly joints. Maybe it's just lack of my own creativeness. I do like this design. I don't know why Hasbro hasn't made Ben Riley into a symbiote, but this definitely would look good. Just change the symbol, I would say. Come on, Running Man. Let's go, Running Man. I Haha! Here's some reference shots. Found this online a while back. Had it saved on my phone. And this is kind of where I got the idea from. Then I saw this a long time ago. I didn't play Marvel vs. Capcom 2, I think, so this might have been from 2. And a cosplayer design who seems to be a mix of Ben Riley and Future Foundation. But these are the 3 images I really used. Shartimus Prime recently uploaded this video on some customs he was given by his viewers. And I have to say, Devil's Due, you did a great job on this spider. It kind of made me just want to go for it. And that's what I did. I didn't want to copy his logo, and so I didn't do the same spider. I wanted that spider, let's be honest, but I didn't do it, so I came up with the Ben Riley outline, and that's what I went with. But here's some work in progress. Pics, pretty simple. Once everything was sanded, I painted it black, white, all on the hoodie. Then I tried to make the logo. You can see it's a little sloppy. Tried to clean it up as best as I could before finishing it, and it was a little tricky to finish, but I think I did a well enough job. I mean, I'm still 50-50 with the outline of it, but I think it looks really good. It makes it just not look so symbiotic. It just looks like it's some cosplay or something. So I might call it cosplay Ben Riley or something. Quick comparison of the 2 spiders. On the left, you have the symbiote or cosplay Spider-Man. You guys tell me what sounds better, actually. Cosplay Spider-Man or symbiote Ben Riley. Anywho, on his right is the official Hasbro version of Ben Riley Scarlet Spider-Man. It's also a great figure. It was actually underrated for a while, and then his price went up the minute he went off shelves. He's not too expensive. You can still find him. But he is a really cool figure. I think he just lacks butterfly joints. Even without them, I still really enjoy this figure. So that's just a quick comparison between the 2. Reason why I also did the logo sideways was just to kind of go with the Ben Riley design. Like I said, I would have preferred the logo Devil Do put on his, but I didn't want to do it the same way, so I did it my own way. Same exact figure, just different colors, different logo. Which do you guys like better? If Hasbro had released both of these, which would you pick up first? But don't worry about it, because you'll never have that opportunity. Hasbro will not release this because it is not a Marvel design, a Marvel-owned design. I'm sure they could make it if they wanted to, but Hasbro has to go through copyrights and get the licenses and all that stuff, so they're never going to put that out. But this one you can get all the time. You see how the logo is a little like lopsided. At first, when I got this figure, I thought it was weird, but you get used to it after a while. I guess there was no other way to put it on, so I just followed suit with the Ben Riley logo. Did the exact same thing, just a little different. Overall, I'm satisfied with the figure's turnout. The only thing I probably could have done just to make it a little better was put the logo on the back of his hoodie. But he doesn't need it. It's a hoodie, you know. So most cases you have a design in the front. You don't need a design in the back of the hoodie. When you wear a hoodie, most logos are in the front. I wanted to put the 978 logo on him, but just the letters would have gave me a hard time, so I didn't want to do that. But here he is on this bootleg figure stand I made out of a hanger in my early days. It works really well sometimes still. You could get him in some cool poses. Here I can have him like swinging in, kicking if I wanted to. But while I do this, I want to thank you guys again for coming out to another 978 Customs video. Shout out to Shartimus Prime and Devil's Due and the cosplayers and everyone who inspired me to make this custom. Shout out to all you viewers and subscribers who come by every day and check the boy out. If you like this Spider-Man and you want to see more custom Spider-Man, feel free to click like, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this one specifically and which one you want to see next. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, again, shout out to you guys. You are the man, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.